Today we have an exciting update on arweave gateways. Introducing the new ARIO PNAT, the Public Node Alpha Test. This test node is now accessible for the community. Why is this exciting? You'll experience a fast, high-performance gateway separate from arweave.net with features including access to the entire permaweb, fast GQL indexing, transaction propagation, and Node HTTP API proxying. If you're a developer, RNS nameholder, or potential gateway operator, you'll be excited to see how all of this is coming together. Please note, ARIO.dev shouldn't be used for anything production-based, but please use it for your testing. But we need your help. What we're looking for during this public test is to view performance metrics that will help us tune the system, test the various capabilities, identify any issues and fix them, and get feedback from you on how well the gateway works. Join us in testing this exciting new service at r-io.dev and join our Discord to learn more. For those of you who were part of the RNS test pilot, you'll be excited to see that the arweave name tokens work across different gateways. You can test your RNS name on the r-io.dev gateway or watch a movie, nosferatu.r-io.dev, query GQL at r-io.dev/graphql. Copy a transaction ID from R Drive and preview it on r-io.dev, and make your Twitter handle your RNS name using r-io.dev. Let's shape the future of decentralized gateways together.